Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. So there are a lot of different ukulele challenges out there, some to learn a song a day, some that really focus in on your strumming. I wanted to put together a completely different type of challenge for you. So this is a creativity challenge. So I've got 10 creative challenges for you to try out on your ukulele. And this is a great way to start to unlock some creativity in your playing, maybe break you out of a plateau if you're feeling super stuck. It's going to give you some tools and resources to help you start to make your own creative musical choices. And it's just going to help you be a more confident player. So I'll be releasing these 10 challenges over the month of October, or Uketober. You can feel free to follow along as I release them or do them on your own timeline. There's also a PDF that I've made for you. It's free, it's linked down below if you want to take notes and keep track of your kind of own personal take on the challenge. There's room to jot down ideas that you have there, songs that you want to try these different ideas on. So definitely check that out. Not necessary though. Also, if you feel inspired to share some ideas that you have from this challenge, please use the hashtag #UkeCreativityChallenge so that others can be inspired by you and so I can be inspired by you. I hope that these are resources that you'll come back to again and again. The thing about creativity is with all these different ideas, you can apply it to a bazillion different songs. Every time you come back to it, you can get some fresh new ideas. So I hope you enjoy this and I will see you in the next video. Ukulele wine time.